My name's Siddall. I'm an apprentice here at C S Fabrications, and my main role here is managing the perforation department. That's my job role. I organise all the work on our 3 CNC machines. I also do a lot of working with customers and quoting jobs, and I also provide all the technical and CAD support for our team of engineers here. I've been at C S Fabrications for 4 years now. One of my main highlights was introducing 3D CAD to the company, the SolidWorks. I helped develop the system we have here. We've got a team of engineers running that, including myself, and we spent a lot of time and effort in introducing this into our production line and implementing it in our main line of work. And these were the skills that I learnt whilst at the AMRC, and I've now brought these onto a professional level. One of my main highlights whilst being at the AMRC Training Centre was all the new skills I learnt and all the different ways of producing and manufacturing a particular product. And I also met a lot of fantastic friends and people along the way.
Ben is an enthusiastic member of the team. He's picked up the job really well. Probably all of that's down due to him doing some courses off his own back in SolidWorks, I believe. He's really enthusiastic. He brings a fresh approach, a young approach to the job. And yeah, he's really well thought of in the firm.
In the future, I'd like to stay at the company. I want to keep working here and hopefully helping introduce new kind of schemes and things to make everything more efficient and find us a better way of doing things. And I also want to improve the production line and hopefully work my way up.